All right, good afternoon, engineers, or good morning, whenever you're watching this. We're going to start talking about Steam this week, and so I have a demo I wanted to do for y'all, but I wasn't sure how it was going to work out in class, so I wanted to try it out here in my basement tonight and record it, and then you can watch it on your own time, and if I mess up, I can do more than one take. We're going to try to get it all in one take here. What's going to happen is I have this camping stove and this ice bath here. So those are going to be my things that I need to do the experiment, and a soda can. And I'm going to fill the soda can up maybe like a quarter way full, of water. I'm going to heat it up on the camping stove. I'm going to flip it upside down into the ice bath. When I heat it up, the water is going to turn to steam. The steam is going to displace the air out of the can. So what's going to be in the can is mostly a mixture of water and water vapor. We call that a saturated mixture. And when water turns to vapor, it expands a lot. It takes up a lot more room. Its volume changes pretty drastically. So it's going to displace all the air out. And then when I flip it over, it's going to seal the top. And it's going to, and then when it cools back down, it's going to contract again. And what's going to happen is the pressure inside the can is going to reduce pretty dramatically. So that's going to be the demo. Let's see. Safety first. Okay, so we're going to light the stove up. I feel like I got a really good mad scientist thing going here. This is going to take just a minute to heat it up. You'll be able to hear it when it's boiling and see steam hopefully coming out of the top. But that's going to be how we know it's boiling when those two things happen. So bear with me a minute. Maybe fast forward your video if you get tired of watching a can boil. All right, we're pretty close here. Feel it starting to boil. All right, there we go. We got some nice steam coming out of the can now. So we know we hit a nice boil. You can see that steam coming out. Hear it a little bit. And there it goes. So you can see the pressure dropped pretty dramatically. I just burnt my table, burnt my desk. That's why you don't do this stuff at home. Pressure dropped pretty dramatically, and it crushed the can. So as the pressure dropped, we said that work was the integral of the PV diagram. As the pressure dropped inside the can and the volume contracted, there was work done on the can, so negative work into the system, and it crushed the can. So cool demo. It worked out, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow in class.